Hi children, all of you are fine. I hope you are doing good and safe. Welcome to the another class of EVS grade 2. Okay, yes. Before going to our new block, I have to check your previous knowledge. Okay, ready? Ready? Yes. What we have learned in the previous class? What we have learned? Yes, very good. Who said? Yes, we have learned about animals. Okay, extinct animal and endangered animals. Right. What is extinct animal? What is extinct animal? Yes, yes, very good. Yes, the animals that are no more found on the earth are called the which animals? Yes, very good. Extinct animal. So, what are the examples for extinct animal? Yes, yes, very good. Dinosaur and dodo bird. Then, what is next one? Yes, endangered animals. Okay, you can spell it. You can spell it. Yes, what is spelling of endangered? Study the spellings. Okay. Yes, what is endangered animal? Yes, the animals. Some animals that are slowly reducing in number. Okay, and they are dying very fast. Such animals are called endangered animals. What are the example for endangered animals? Yes, very good. Yes, panda, tiger, rhinoceros, and snow leopard. Understood. And we also learned what is how we can protect our wildlife. Understood. Understood, children? Yes, all of you revise. I hope all of you revise that lesson, okay? And I hope all of you have done the work, okay? Workbook, notebook, okay? You have to study the spellings, okay? Right. So, today's class, we are going to move new block in EVS, okay? That is fifth block. See, types of plants. What types of plants? See, in the first standard, you already learned about plants. Then the features of plants. Right. What are the features of plants? What are the features of plants? Yes, very good. That features means the different parts of the plant. What? What are the parts of plants? Yes, very good. Stem. Yes, very good. Root. Then, yes, very good. Leaf. Then, yes, flowers. Yes, yes. I am happy, children, because you could recollect the previous lessons. Okay, yes. Then, children, today we are going to take our block 5 types of plants. Okay, so I already wrote the keywords of this block. Okay, copy this into your notebook and also study the spelling. Okay, creepers, climbers, herb, shrub. Okay, what? Creepers, climbers, herb, shrub. Okay, so listen, children, how many types of plants do you see around you? How many types of plants? Yes, we can see different types of plants, right? Vegetable plants, fruits plants, then flower plants, right? Some plants are very tall, some plants are very short, and some plants are very bushy, okay? And it has many branches, okay? Then, so, see, children, listen, how the plants are different each other, how the plants are different each other. See, the plants are different, right? All the plants are same? No, the plants are different in their height, right? And the plants are different in their height, stem, then leaves, then fruits and flowers, right? All the plants have different height and all the plants have different stem and all the plants have different leaves. Then all the plants have different fruits. then all the plants have different flowers, right? Yes. So today's class we are going to discuss about the types of plants. Okay, and also we will group the plants into plants according to their stem. Okay, today we will going to group the plants according to their stem. What is stem? Do you want to see stem? So I have brought one. See, plant. See, this is a plant. See, so which is the stem of the plant? Which is the stem of the plant? Yes, this one is the stem of the plant. See, this part is called a stem of the plant. Then what are the other parts of the plant? Yes, very good. Root. Which one root? This is root. Then this is leaves. Okay, understood? So this is a plant. Okay, so the plants are different in their height, leaves, stem, fruits, flowers. Okay, so children, see, okay, then I will show you some pictures of plants. Okay, some different pictures of plants. Then yes, children, what is the speciality of these plants? What is the speciality of these plants? You already saw some pictures of plants. What is the speciality of these plants? What is speciality? They are different in their height, right? They are different in their leaves. They are different in their fruit, right? They are different in their flower, right? And they are different in their what? Stem. I already told we are grouping the plants in according to their stem. Okay, so these plants are different in their stem. What is the speciality of the stem? What is the speciality of these plants? Stem of the plant? Yes, these all plants have weak stem, right? Weak stem. We can take pumpkin plant. Pumpkin. Have you heard about pumpkin? Do you see pumpkin? Yes. So pumpkin plant and watermelon plant. What? Watermelon. See, the watermelon plant and also the pumpkin plant, how does they grow? How does they grow? How? Yes, how they grow and spread on the ground. Right. Why? Why? See, the creepers have weak stem. Understood? See? See how do they grow? See, the pumpkin plant and also the watermelon plant spread on the ground. Grow by spread on the ground. Why? Why? It has weak stem. The pumpkin plant also have weak stem and the watermelon plant also have weak stem. Right. Right, children? So that money plant and pea plant. What is the speciality of these plants? Money plant and pea plant. They also have weak stem, right? Weak stem. See, we can take money plant or pea plant. The pea plant needs support to grow, right? It grow by climbing on a stick or a wall, right? So the money plant and pea plant also have weak stem. They need support to grow. Right. So the pumpkin and watermelon. So these are one type of plant. Okay. And this pea plant, money plant is another type of plant. So the plants that are grow and spread on the ground are called creepers. Okay, crawl on the ground. Understood? The plants that are grow and spread along the ground are called such plants are called what? Creepers. Understood? Crawl on the ground. Understood, children? The plants that are grow and spread on the ground Such plants are called creepers. Understood? Understood? For example, pumpkin plant and watermelon plant. Have you see pumpkin plant? Yes, it grow and spread on the ground, and watermelon also. Understood? Then the plants are grow and climb with support of wall, rock, sticks are called climbers. Okay, what do you mean by climb? Yes, understood. Climbers, the plants that are grow and climb with the support of wall, rock, stick are called climbers. Understood? What are the example for climber plants? Yes, money plant, then pea plant. Understood? Yes. So these are the plants that are grow and climb with the support of wall, rock, and stick. Okay. So the climber plants have weak stem. Okay, already we know that the climber plant also and the creeper plant also have weak stem. Right. See, the climber plant cannot stand straight. Why? It has weak stem. It needs support to grow. Okay, it needs support to grow. Children understood what is climbers and creepers? Yes. See how this creepers and climbers similar. How this climber plant and creeper plant be similar? Both. Yes. Say both the climber and creeper plant have what? Weak stem. Okay, weak stem, and the creeper plant have, see children, most of the creeper plant have big and heavy fruit, right? For example, pumpkin is a heavy and big fruit, and then watermelon also a big and heavy fruit, right? So some of the creeper plants have heavy and a big fruit, so it cannot climb. Okay, understood children? Creepers and climber plants. What are the example for climber plants? Yes, pumpkin, watermelon. Okay, then what are the example for climber plants? Money plant, pea plant. Listen, children, can we make a creeper plant climb? Can we make a creeper plant climb? Ah, yes. See, some of the creeper plants have big and heavy fruits, right? So, if we make climb, the stem will break, right? Why? It has weak stem. So, if we make the creeper climb, the stem will break and the plant will die, right? The plant will die. Understood? So, a creeper plant cannot make climb. Okay. Creeper plant. Example are pumpkin, watermelon, then climber, plant, example, money plant, then pea plant. Okay, so these are the creeper plant, pumpkin, watermelon, then climber plant, money plant, and pea plant. Okay, so all of you be ready with workbook, page number 34, climbers and creepers. Climbers and creepers. Yes. Then, how are First question, how are plants different from each other? How are plants different from each other? Yes, plants are different in their height, stem, leaves, flowers and fruits. Understood? You can write plants are different in their height, stem, leaves, flowers and fruits. Got it? Yes. Then second one. Which of these is a climber? Which of these is a climber and why? See, they given jasmine plant and cucumber plant. Okay, so which of these is a climber? Grow by climbing with a support? Yes, which one? Jasmine plant. Okay, jasmine plant. Yes, so you can write jasmine plant. Why? Why? Because, yes, because jasmine plant has weak stem. It needs support to grow. Okay, so you can write jasmine plant and jasmine plant need support to grow. Okay, jasmine plant need support to grow. Understood, children? Jasmine plant, then it needs support to grow. Then next one, what will happen if a pumpkin plant is given support to climb on a wall? What will happen if we make pumpkin plant climb on a wall? Yes, I already told what. See, some of the creepers plants have big and heavy fruit like pumpkin, watermelon, then bottle gourd. Okay, bottle gourd, then cucumber plant, right? See, all of these fruits are big and heavy. So, if we make pumpkin climb, what will happen? The stem will break and plant will die, right? So, what is the question? What will happen if a pumpkin plant is given support to climb on a wall? What will happen? Pumpkin plant has what? Pumpkin plant has big and heavy fruit. So if we make climb, the stem will break and the plant will die. Okay, understood, children? Understood? Yes. Yes, children. So we already learned about creepers and climbers. Okay, creeper plant and climber plant. Okay, so the another type of plants are herbs and shrubs. Okay, herbs and shrubs. Okay, so I will show you some pictures of plants. Okay. You already see some pictures of plants. There are different kinds of plants. Okay, what are the speciality of these plants? What are the speciality of these plants? See, I have show you. I have brought one plant for you. See, this is a one plant. Okay, see, this plant has this plant is a very small, right? And another plant, see, this plant is bigger than this plant, right? See, so I already told about another type of plants are herbs and shrubs. Okay, understood, children? So the herbs, first one herb. See, this is a herb and this also a herb. Why? See, the herbs have, listen, okay, listen, the herbs have soft, weak, thin and green stem. Right? Right. See, it has green stem. Right. So, the herbs have, study the spelling, okay, Herbs. Okay. So, the herbs have, see, soft, okay, weak, then thin and green stem. Okay, understood? See, the many herbs are live for only 4 months. for a few months and for a few seasons. Okay, understood? So the herbs have soft, weak, thin and green stem. Okay, understood children? Yes, and most of the herbs are live for a few months or a season. Understood? Then next type, okay, shrub. See, shrubs. See, shrubs have woody stem. Okay, most of the shrubs have woody stem. What do you mean by woody? Woody? What do you mean by woody? Yes, stronger stem. Okay, the woody stem means stronger stem. Okay, so the shrubs have woody stem and the branches of shrubs grow very close to the ground. Okay, very close to the ground. Understood children? So we have learned about herbs and shrubs. What is herb? Herb. What is herb? Herb has very soft, thin, weak and green stem. See, the example for herbs are what? Yes, coriander plant. Have you seen coriander plant? Then mint plant. Okay, mint plant. Then spinach. Then tulasi. Okay, these are herbs. See, all these plants have soft, thin, weak and green stem. Okay, understood. The next one, shrub. Shrub has woody stem and the branches of this plant grow very near to the ground. Okay, shrubs live for many years. Okay, example for shrubs are orange plant. Okay, then rose plant. Okay, understood children? Rose plant, orange plant. Okay, children? Yes. Then yes, children, see herbs and shrubs. Okay, what is herb? Is herb has a soft, thin, weak and green stem. Okay, what are the example for herbs? Yes, coriander plant, mint plant, spinach, then tulasi. Okay, yes, then shrubs. Shrubs have woody stem. Woody stem means strong stem. Okay, woody stem. Then branches grow very close to the ground. Okay, examples are orange plant, hibiscus plant, then rose plant. Okay, all these plants have woody stem and they live for many years. Right, understood. See, children, how herbs and shrubs are different from climbers and creepers. How these shrubs and herbs are different from climbers and creepers? Yes, very good. What? Yes, the herbs and shrubs have stronger stem than climbers and creepers. Right? Yes, the herbs and shrubs have stronger stem than climbers and creepers. Right? Yes. See, listen children, the herbs usually grow in a smaller height. The herbs usually grow in a smaller height. Why? Yes, the herbs have weak, thin and soft stem. Okay, so it cannot grow taller. What? The herbs have soft, thin, weak and green stem. Okay, weak stem. Okay, so it cannot grow taller. Understood? Understood children? Yes. Then be ready with your workbook. Yes. First question, okay, page number 35. Which part of the plant help us sort the plants into different groups? Which part of the plant help us to sort the plants into different groups? Yes, very good. Which parts? Yes, stem of the plant. Then you can write the stem of the plant. Okay, the stem of the plant. Enough. Okay, the stem of the plant. Then next question, circle the plants that are shrubs. First you circle the plants that are shrubs. Circled shrubs. Why are they shrubs? So which are the plants that are shrubs? Which are the plants? Picture A is there, picture B is there, picture C is there. What is shrub? Yes, the shrub has woody stem. Okay, so which are the shrubs here? Yes, very good. Which one? B and C. Plant B and C. So circle plant B and also circle plant C. Okay, circle it. Then, why are they shrubs? Why are they shrubs? Because they have woody stem, right? They have woody stem. Woody spelling is here. Okay, woody stem and the branches grow very close to the ground, right? The branches grow very close to the ground. Okay. Okay, children. Then coming to third question. Coriander plants do not grow in height. Okay, coriander plant do not grow in height. Why? See, the coriander plant is a which plant? Which type of plant? Coriander is a, yes, what? See, coriander is a herb. Why? Why the coriander plant has what? See, the herb has soft, weak, thin and green stem. So the coriander also have what? Weak stem. Okay, weak stem. So it cannot grow in taller. Okay, so it cannot grow taller. Understood? So coriander is a herb. You can write coriander is a herb. Herbs do not have strong stem. Okay, herbs do not have strong stem. So it cannot grow taller. Okay, understood? Then you have to do from the content book PQ questions. Okay, what is the difference between a climber and a creeper? What is the difference between climber and creeper? What is a climber? Climber is, say, the climbers is the climbers grow and climb. The climbers grow and climb with the support of what? Wall, rock and stick. Okay, understood? Why? It has weak stem. Okay, it has weak stem. Then creepers grow and spread on the ground. Okay, creepers grow and spread on the ground. Okay, the creepers grow close to the ground. Why? Why creepers grow close to the ground? Yes, very good. What? The creepers have big and heavy fruit. Okay, the creepers have big and heavy fruit. Okay. Third question. How are herbs different from shrubs? Okay. How are herbs different from shrubs? I already wrote here. See, herbs. See, soft, weak, thin and green stem. Then shrubs, woody stem, branches grow very close to the ground. Okay, can write herbs. Herbs have soft, weak, thin and green stem. Then shrubs have woody stem and branches grow very close to the ground. Okay. Then last question. Give 3 examples for each. Herbs, shrubs, climbers and creepers. Give 3 examples for each. Herbs. Okay. First we can take herbs. Herbs example, see I already wrote here. See any 3 you have to write. Coriander, mint, tulasi. You can write. Okay. Coriander, mint, tulasi. Okay. Then second one, shrubs. Shrubs, you can write orange plant, hibiscus plant, rose plant. Understood? Shrubs, orange plant, hibiscus plant, rose plant. Then climbers. You can write climbers, jasmine plant, then money plant, pea plant. Okay. Understood, children? Money plant, pea plant, then jasmine plant. Okay. Then creepers. Creepers you can write pumpkin plant, watermelon plant, then bottle gourd. Okay, bottle gourd. And cucumber plant also you can write. Okay. Understood, children? Creepers. So I hope you all understood this part. Okay. If you have any doubt, you can call me. Okay. Understood? In the next class, I will ask questions about this class. Okay. So all of you are ready, okay, for tell the answers. Okay. So all of you study well and read the content book very well. Okay. So thank you, children. Have a nice day.